This torso belongs to the elf from Series 3 of the CMF collection. The torso and legs both have this chain link armour. I dig through the brown legs until I find the correct piece. Next we need to find the head. After a quick search I find the right head with a stern expression and cheek lines. Last up is the accessories. I dig through the blonde hair pieces until I find this one with pointy ears. Annoyingly I wasn't able to find his cape. With that being said, it's time to put him together. I give him a bow and he's ready to fight in Middle-earth. Do you have this figure?